as well as dangerous swimming conditions. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. General The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6:15 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Harrison Beaver Crib to Burnham Harbor to 7 nautical miles south of Midway Airport, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, 59th Street Marina and Diversey Harbor.